Today we will learn how to use transition effects in Premiere Pro. There are 3 effects given here. First among them is block dissolve. After transition completion, we can set the start and end point of the transition. We can also increase or decrease the width, height, and feather of the block. This effect creates blocks and gradually black out. The second one is gradient light. This effect also dissolves with the colors of the video. The third one is linear white. The angle of transition has to be set in white angle. That's it for today. See you again in next video. And subscribe to the Graphics Studio YouTube, which is now available in English and Hindi language.